Hello learners, welcome to this course on creative communication, extension and community resource management for sustainable development. I am Professor Hina Bijli from the School of Continuing Education IGNOU and your course coordinator for this course. This course is a very unique course because it aims to strengthen your knowledge and skills on extension and sustainable development. Many of us have heard about community mobilization and the strategies that are used in the contemporary scenario for this purpose. The program is unique because a lot of experts from different institutions have contributed to the development of this course.
We seek to adopt participatory methods, the co-production of knowledge, two-way communication, in order to take on board different views and perspectives and needs respectfully to achieve pathways towards sustainable development. So in this process, we provide room for taking on board gender roles and relationships, other forms of social difference, and strategies from the ground.
We face so many challenges as change makers in the sustainable development arena. How do new perspectives and practices change root? Is it through individual based extension approaches or by membership in groups and networks? Why should I listen to people's voices rather than tell them what to do? Is it important to understand local contexts and preferences or to transfer knowledge from experts? See you online for lessons backed by scientific assessment and practice from the field.
We will introduce you to innovative participatory tools, methodologies, and approaches for eliciting information from using the voices of the local people. Now, this is a scientific approach and can be used by extension personnel, policy makers, planners, and researchers for co-designing and co-creating interventions, policies, and programs for the benefit of the people. This can lead to resilient communities.
Development is an evergreen need. However, when the countries all across the globe started getting free of colonization, that is when the real need for development was being felt in these underdeveloped and developing countries, in this newly formed skirt of poverty. Communication for development has to be done in a proper way. In this course, you will look at all these aspects of development and use of media for development, various tools and methods of communication that are used for development all across the world.
Working across 6 continents, including India, and with the Indira Gandhi National University. I'm delighted that we can bring to you learning around sustainable consumption as we head towards the 2030 agenda, discussing the double burden of malnutrition, dietary patterns, adequacy, and deficiencies, as well as innovative approaches to education empowerment and entrepreneurship in the community.
In this course, dealing with participatory communication methods using different digital tools. These digital tools are deployed to promote individual and collective learning. We will explain the different methodologies which can be adopted to promote these tools in the field to facilitate better knowledge management systems.
This course also understands the demands for recognition and preservation of indigenous knowledge as the collective global heritage.
I'm sure learners that after listening to our esteemed experts who would be a part of this course, you would have realized what this course is all about. It will surely help you in enhancing your skills in sustainable community development practices. By now, you must be aware for whom this course is meant for. This course would be definitely ideal for field level functionaries, our frontline workers who work for community development, those associated with NGOs and the government, those who are into training, providing advocacy, different development practitioners, teachers, academics, and let us not forget those who want to embark on a PhD program in community resource management and extension education. So I'm sure you'll enjoy your journey through this course, and once again, a warm welcome to all of you to this course, Creative Communication, Extension and Community Resource Management for Sustainable Development.